How much do you think you can buy this for? 13 cents. The snag is, it comes with at least $800 million of debt. It's the sort of thing that's happening a lot right now. And that's a big deal. Because a global property crisis can rapidly spread to the rest of the economy. Office buildings, hotels, and other commercial real estate projects around the world are going insolvent or being sold at knockdown prices.
This is the biggest real estate crisis since 2008. A lot of office space around the world is now redundant, and that's why we're seeing such massive value declines. There's been Chinese developers run into trouble, and some of them have been threatened with the loss of their buildings as well. So this is happening around the world and will continue to happen.
At the heart of all of this is how most commercial real estate projects are funded.
So a lot of these buildings are funded largely by debt.
In a game of Monopoly, you can't make money if a property has a mortgage. But in real life, landlords use rental income to pay for debt. If there are no renters and not enough money, then landlords have a problem, and the banks then loan them the money.
There's no real easy solution.